Hello everyone, welcome back to Knitting Catalog. I'm happy to be in your presence today. Today is another beautiful tutorial on how to treat a rolling edge. You can see what we have here. This is a rolling edge. But before we go ahead, guys, if you are just coming by my channel for the first time, you are welcome. This is Knitting Catalog, where we have fun in knitting. You need to subscribe and hit the bell button, for you to be getting notification at any time I make a new video. And to my existing subscriber, thank you for supporting me. Thank you for staying by me. I really appreciate your love, guys. Thank you so much. So right now, let's go into today's tutorial. It's not every project that starts with a bound. So at times you find yourself in this situation after knitting and this is rolling back. So this is how you can quickly fix it and you give it a beautiful edge design. So let me go straight to it, guys. So I'm going to go back and fix this back to my needle, to my knitting machine. So fix them back. So this is the edge. Just pick, fix back to the needle. So you can see what we have, guys. Push them out to E position. Then I'm going to use another color to knit right now. I'm going to use tension 8 and knit one row. So that's it, guys. So right now I'm going to use needle pusher and select my needle in one by one needle. So pushing this so you can see what we have, guys. So right now I'm going to press this, to hold and knit 3 rows. So I'm going to knit 3 rows. These needles are not going to work. They are going to have yarn pile on them. So I'm going to go ahead right now and knit 3 rows. 1, 2, 3. So that's it. So I'm going to push this back to E position, the needle on B position back to E position, just to make sure all the needles and all the stitches are safe. So you can see what we have right now. Then I'm going to press this and knit one row right now. So after this, I'm going to bind off. So guys, you can see what we have. You can see that this is not rolling back as this. You can see how beautiful this is right now. So this is how to stop a rolling edge not to roll back. So simple and so easy to, stop a rolling edge not to roll backward.